Excuse me? Excuse me. Hello? Hello? What do you have in your hand? What? Two graham crackers? Full size? Did Mommy give those to you? Did Mommy give those to you? No. Are you making a mess? Oh, you're picking up the crumbs. What, Ellie? Oh, jeez. Oh, Ellie. Don't let Ellie get it. You are naughty. Are you a naughty boy? What are you doing? Oh my goodness. Ew, those graham crackers are icky now. Hey, are you naughty? Are you a cute boy? Troublemaker. You just got done eating breakfast. A whole pancake, a piece of bacon, some Cheerios, and now 2 full sheets of graham crackers at one time. That's right. Oh. What are you doing? Here, look. Cosby, look.
Mama.
Oh, give it. Ew, it's an icky face. Oh. Are you making a mess? Are you my mess maker? Woo! Hey! Hey, hey, hey! Hey, hey, hey! What are you doing? Are you gonna get out the vacuum when you're done? Hey, hey, hey! I put that there. You're my little mess maker.
Yeah.